You are going to love the 2016 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lamps, front-wheel drive, traction control, brake assist, steering wheel controls, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats, console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.